This is like the most significant turn of events in the guitar world, I think, uh, since Jimi Hendrix died. Like, Fender just won a case in Germany protecting the shape of the body, which is the most copied thing in probably all of the guitar world, you know, if not like, I don't know, I think, did Martin invent sort of the dreadnought shape? I mean, it's like that, you know, and when people think of an electric guitar, they tend to think of this. And they just want a case in Germany that gives them, it reverts the ownership back to them. I guess Leo never, I don't know enough about the patent world. I know that the headstock was deemed to be their design and their ownership, and you can't just make that without licensing it. But the body's always been up for free, you know, use, and now that's changed. In my understanding is that if it's applicable in the German court, then it affects all of the European Union, which is super significant, and it's a precedent to, I guess, take on that challenge elsewhere. And it's punishable by 260,000 euros per instance, or 6 months in jail, or something like that. Just an insane turn of events for Fender. I mean, this is a historic decision that the court made in Germany. And it's interesting. It's super interesting. I'm curious to see how that plays out, because doesn't everyone now make a version of a Stratocaster? I mean, I would think that, you know, the Silver Sky is enough of a design change that would be okay, because there's a pretty significant carve here, I think. And I think the overall, I don't know, I think it doesn't match the shape enough, but I'm not a lawyer, so I don't really know, but it's pretty interesting. Look it up. Fender won a case in Germany that gives them ownership over this shape, which sounds justified, but it is like, what, 70 years old. I don't know what becomes public domain when, but they haven't had that protection, I think, since the 80s. At least it was challenged. I mean, pretty interesting turn of events. You know, read about it. It's, I wonder what's going to happen.